Hello, my lovely students. Radhe Radhe. I am Mr. Amod Kumar, Physicswala. It is a chapter 12, Light, Shadow and Reflection. What is light? Light is a form of energy which enables to see the object, and it has transverse electromagnetic wave that can be seen by human beings. There are two types of light rays. Visible rays of light. It can be seen by human beings is called visible rays, such as formation of rainbow through visible rays. Its wavelength between 350 nanometer to 750 nanometer. And next is invisible rays of light. It cannot be seen by human beings is called invisible rays, such as ultraviolet rays, X-ray, alpha, beta, gamma rays. Its wavelength below the 350 nanometer and above the 750 nanometer. Note: the speed of light in vacuum or air 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. A speed of light in glass 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. A speed of light in water 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now a speed of earth around the sun 1 lakh kilometer per second, 1 lakh kilometer per hour. Now light from the sun to reach the earth, total time is taken by light 8 minutes 20 seconds approx. PT. What is the importance of light? As we know that all green plants depends on the energy of light to prepare their food. During the process of photosynthesis, without sunlight, the process of photosynthesis will take place. Then food chain will be disturbed, as well as supply of oxygen in air for humans, beings and animal to breathe. Thus, without sunlight, the existence of all living beings will be in danger. Note: the reflected color decided the color of the object, such as grass looks green because it absorbs all colors except green, then reflect back the green color that is received by our eyes. Now, sources of light. An object that emit light are known as source of light. First, natural source of light, such as sun, stars and fireflies are called natural sources of light. Second, artificial source of light, such as torch, electric bulb, candle, lamp are called artificial source of light. PTO, please turn over. And next, hot sources of light, such as sun, stars are emitted hot light are called hot sources of light. Cold sources of light, such as LED bulb, CFL, fireflies are emitted cold light are called cold source of light. Bioluminescence, such as bioluminescence, such as fireflies, algae, jellyfish, are living beings that are emitted light are called bioluminescent scan. Now, luminous object. The objects that are produce their own light are called luminous objects, such as sun, stars, electric bulb, lamp, candle, flame, very hot metal, iron, lava, magma, etc. And next, non-luminous object. The object that do not produce their own light are called non-luminous objects, such as humans, trees, soil, planets, home, as well as moon, etc. Medium, an object through which light propagates are called medium. Please turn over. There are three types of materials on the basis of light medium. First is transparent. The objects through which light can pass easily are called transparent objects, such as air, water, and glass, etc. Translucent object, an object through which light can pass partially, such as oily paper, frosted glass, etc. And next is opaque materials. Materials through which light cannot propagate are called opaque materials, such as wall, wood, woman, and stone, etc. And now, light travels in a straight line. Due to properties of light has transverse wave that it travel in a straight line is called rectilinear propagation of light, such as an activity using of rubber pipe straight. Then we can watch any objects, but if the using of rubber pipe bended, then we cannot watch any objects. Now rays. It emitted from source of light that goes on infinity is called rays. PTO. Now beam of light. A narrow group of light rays are called beam of light. And next, parallel rays of light. A beam of parallel rays of light is called parallel beam of light. Convergent beam of light. If rays of light meet at a common point are called convergent rays. And now divergent beam of light. If rays of light propagates from a source of light are called divergent beam of light. And now pinhole camera. It is used to photograph movement of the sun over a long period of time. That type of photograph is called solargraphy, PTO. Now shadow. The dark area formed on a screen where light is blocked by an opaque object is called shadow. And next, nature of shadow. First is umbra, the darkest part of the shadow where no light reaches is called umbra. And next is penumbra, The faint shadow is a part of shadow that receives some amount of light is called penumbra. Here is a figure of umbra and penumbra. Next is characteristics of a shadow. A opaque screen is required to form a shadow. And next, any colors of object, but shadow is always black. A shadow shows only the outline of the object, and the size of a shadow depends on the objects. And next, the size variation of a shadow depends on where is source of light and object, PTO. Next is eclipse. The formation of eclipse are also based on the principle of rectilinear propagation of light, that is a form of shadow. And next is solar eclipse. The shadow cast by the moon on the earth is called solar eclipse. And next is lunar eclipse. The shadow cast by the earth on the moon is called lunar eclipse. Here is a figure of solar eclipse and lunar eclipse, PTO. Now, reflection of light. The bouncing back of light in the same medium on striking the surface of any object, such a mirror, reflect most of light falling on it. And next image, the visual representation of an object is called image, such as a picture produced on an electronic display, mobile display, computer screen, and television display, as well as mirror, form the image of an object. And now, laws of reflection. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. And second law of reflection, the incident rays, the normal to the mirror at the point of incidence, and the reflected rays all lie in the same plane. Here is a figure of law of reflection. Physics notes is created by Amod, Physicswala. Thanks for watching. So now that's all. Please like and subscribe and share to all of your friends. Thank you so much. राधे राधे. आपका जीवन अच्छे से कटे. राधे राधे.